In this video we are talking about if Polkadot finally goes to the upside again, or do we see a crash to lower levels. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we are in this demand zone right here where we saw the last bullish explosion to the upside, and we are seeing this important order block where we always find resistance. And in the last video we saw this bearish candle right here. We moved out of this order block and we saw this close right here. So the chance that we are going to the downside was very high, but the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies moved to the upside again. And we then saw this bullish candle right here. We came down with this wick and then saw the move to the upside again. And this weekly candle is looking really bullish and we have 5 days left. So is this finally the beginning of a rally from Polkadot to the upside again? Because in the last video in the comments I saw that many people invested in Polkadot and are not believing in the project anymore. But in the last video I showed you the last high right here, which is a very important resistance. And as you can see, we saw this daily close over this resistance and high right here. So for me this is the first really bullish sign for DOT. But I would still be careful with long positions because this is the first bullish sign from Polkadot. And Bitcoin is also going to the upside. We are at $34,000 right now at Bitcoin. So the chance if Bitcoin is going to the downside and then that Polkadot is also going to the downside again is very high. Now it's really important that the weekly candle is closing above this last high right here and that we are finding some acceptance at this order block. And if we find acceptance in this order block and see a bullish move, then the chance is very high that we are seeing higher levels for Polkadot. But if anything interesting happens for Polkadot, I will make an update video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Polkadot. So for all Polkadot hodlers, this is the first bullish sign for Polkadot. But I would be careful because we saw this daily candle right here and the bullish move, but Bitcoin was going to the upside. So I think the chance if Bitcoin is going to the downside, that Polkadot is also going to the downside again. But it's the first bullish sign, and if we are closing above this resistance and find acceptance here, then I think the chance is high that we are going to higher levels for Polkadot. And if we are going through this order block right here, then I think the chance is really high that we are seeing higher levels for Polkadot. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next video. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.